Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me and you are here with Tech with Odin. So today we are going to add extension of Touch VPN, secure and unlimited proxy. So this is very good VPN. So here we can see overview of this VPN. Unblock any website and stay secure with Touch VPN. One click connection, connect to your fast VPN, unlimited band-wide and completely free. You see, unable to access some websites, worried about unprotected Wi-Fi hotspots, want to be protected from surveillance. Get the best free VPN for Chrome today. Touch VPN, the secure VPN proxy, is the best solution for private browsing. Serve the web freely, securely, and anonymously with Touch VPN. You see, we are going to see the rating. This you can see here is 4.6 out of 5 rating of this VPN, and you can see here 81,000 people rated this VPN. So here we are going to go to add extension. We click here and add extension from here. So we already added extension, and here you can see Touch VPN. You click here and here you can click to connect this VPN. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.